Voltaren Arthritis Pain Gel for topical arthritis pain relief. 3.53 ounce, pack of 2. 3.5 ounces 100 grams tubes of Voltaren Arthritis Pain Gel for topical arthritis pain relief. Voltaren relieves arthritis pain, improves mobility and reduces stiffness to provide prescription-strength arthritis joint pain relief. Non-greasy Voltaren Emulgel combines the properties of an arthritis pain relief cream and a gel to target pain. Diclofenac sodium topical gel penetrates deep to attack arthritis pain directly at the site, treating pain rather than just masking it. Apply on up to 2 joints out of hands, wrists, elbows, feet, ankles and knees for topical arthritis pain relief. Pain relief gel that provides significant arthritis pain relief within 7 days of continuous use and long-lasting relief when applied 4 times a day. Paraben-free. Voltaren is the #1 doctor-recommended OTC topical pain relief brand, approved as an arthritis pain reliever. Comes in a tube with easy twist cap and includes dosing card for proper dosage.